Hi South City, this is Kathryn, and today I'm going to talk to you about beading and show you how to make a simple daisy chain design. Today I'll be working with pony beads, both because they're easier to see on camera, but also to demonstrate that you don't need specialized supplies to start beading. But you can also use seed beads. If you do decide to use seed beads, you'll need to get other tools as well. In particular, beading needles are very useful. They're made to fit seed beads and are more flexible than sewing needles. You'll also need to pick a thin but strong thread. In my case, though, I've decided to go with this lightweight yarn that I had lying around. It feels relatively sturdy, and it's thin enough to go through my beads multiple times. I've wrapped the end of the yarn in tape to substitute for a needle as well. You also need a significant number of beads, at least 8 per flower in at least 2 different colors. Here I have the beads for 2 flowers, 1, 2, 7 petals each plus a center bead. You'll find variants of this pattern with 6 or 8 petals, and really it depends on the shape of your beads. First, thread 1 bead in your first petal color and go through it again, like so. Leaving a tail. This helps avoid your piece unraveling later on. Next, you'll thread the rest of the beads in that same petal color, 6 more for a total of 7 beads. And then you'll go through the first bead again to make a loop. Pick up the bead you picked for the center of the flower and then go through the bead opposite it, like so. And your first flower is done. Oh, I've got a knot. So if you get a knot, just carefully undo it. All right, there we go. First flower done. You now have a couple of choices. You can add a few beads to space out your flowers, which will help you make a longer chain without using so many beads, or you can start another flower right away. I'm going to space out my flowers, which is a little bit easier. So add as many beads as you want. I'm adding 2, like so. Feel free to adjust the tension at any time. Then you'll start a new flower the same as the first one. So I'll just demonstrate. All right, now to finish your piece, when you decide that you're done, you might want to add another bead and basically make a knot around it, just like so. To stop your piece from unraveling. When you're done, you can cut the string, leaving a little bit of tail, and you can use this method to make a bracelet, a keychain, or a necklace. Feel free to let us know in the comments if you'd like more beading videos. Thanks, and have a good day.